Here's how to scrape AliExpress store details with no coding knowledge. First, we'll need the AliExpress scraper from nifty.codes. Link will be in the description. Simply just download it for your browser. Next, press Store Details. As you can see, we extracted the store details. You can do this multiple times with different stores. Now press on the settings icon. Then press Store Data. In here you can delete or export specific data. Now to customize it, press on Customize. Then press Store Details. In here you can change the data however you want. So for example, you can uncheck some data. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. And also add a criteria to only scrape the products you are looking for. Once you're done, press Save. You can also find more features in the add-ons section. Now to export this, press Add to Export List. Then press Export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. And there you go. Here is the customized data we extracted.